Here are certain tips to debug your code faster and in an effective manner. Number one, try to first understand what the issue has occurred, and if possible, you can try to replicate that issue or reproduce that issue. The next thing which you have to do is you have to try to figure out what are the error logs, the stack trace, read that, pinpoint to which line number the issue has occurred, and go over there and verify what is the data flow. If needed, you can add some temporary log statements, print statements, whatever works for you, and just try to understand what is the data flow and what is the logic that is happening in that affected area. So over there, the divide and conquer principle is going to be helpful. So you will understand that where is exactly the problem area and just focus on that particular part. You can use different debugger tools and try to run in your local wherever that issue has occurred by understanding that line number. And finally, when you have done all of that, gone through a stack trace, replicated the issue, and thankfully, if you have found the issue in your local, great. If not, it is no harm to take some break, get up, get some fresh air, drink some water, come back and relook into the issue, and finally ask for help from your peers, colleagues, and leads. So do not think that whenever you are sitting to debug an issue, the entire world will collapse if you're not able to solve that issue. It doesn't work like that in our industry. People are always there to help you. If you're in the right direction and you're taking the right steps in the right direction, you will definitely find a solution to the problem. So without stressing much, make debugging or troubleshooting your friend and enjoy the process. That's all I can say. Thank you so much.